Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we will talk about the types of fraction. Okay, the types of the fraction. Already we have known about the what is fraction, how to represent the fraction through the diagram. Okay, already have known, but now we will know how many types of fractions are there. So there are three types of fraction. There are three types of fraction. That means you can say fraction is having three parts. First of all, proper fraction, okay, improper fraction, and last one is mixed fraction. Okay, so one by one we will talk about it. Okay, so first of all you will pause the video to note it down, then we will start. Now first of all we will know about the proper fraction. So what is proper fraction? The form of the proper fraction is wherever numerator is less than the denominator. Wherever numerator is less than the denominator. That means what is the form of the proper fraction? That means small by big. That is the form of the proper fraction. Small by big. So what is the example? That means 5 by 3. It's a 5 by 8. Small by big. 3 by 10. 7 by 12. 8 by 13. These are the proper fraction. That means denominator will be greater than numerator, or numerator will be less than denominator. Okay, and the form of the proper fraction is what? Small by big. Okay, now we will talk about the improper fraction. What is improper fraction? Okay, improper fraction means just from the term easily you can find out the difference between these the two fractions. That means it's proper fraction, and that means and it is improper fraction. So proper and improper. Okay, so proper fraction and improper fraction. So improper fraction will be just opposite of proper, because improper is the opposite of proper. So improper means what? Here form of the proper fraction is a small by big. So form of this improper fraction will be what? Big by small. Just opposite of proper fraction. And here what? Numerator will be greater than denominator. Okay, so what is the example? That means 8 by 5, 13 by 14, 13 by 15, not 14, big by small. Now we will have some example. Okay, so 13 by 12, 14 by 10, okay, 2 by 1, 5 by 3. These are improper fraction. That means what? Big by small, big by small, big by small, big by small, big by small. That means 13 is greater than 12, 14 is greater than 10, like this. The number which is numerator will be greater than the denominator, and the form is big by small, and the proper fraction small by big. And last one is what? Last one is mixed fraction. Okay, last one is what? Mixed fraction. So what is mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is totally different from the two fractions. Totally different. What is the form? First of all, we have to take a natural number. Natural number. Then within the middle position of the natural number, you will take a you have to take a line, and here you have to take a proper fraction. That means here small by big, and this is the form of the mixed fraction. That means what? Mixed fraction. So suppose you are taking the example, then it will be easy. Okay, so what is the example? First of all, natural number, any natural number 2, then at the middle position of 2 I have to take a line, and then here it will be small number, that means proper fraction. That means what? Suppose 5 by 8. That means how to read this? Okay, how to read this? 2 and 5 by 8. Okay, and like this you can have on another types of example, 8 whole, 3 by 8. Okay, 5 and 4 by 8. Okay, here anything you can take, suppose 7 also, but here you should keep remember that the number which is written in the form of fraction, that fraction should be proper fraction. This fraction should be, you can see this all fractions, this one, this fraction in the mixed fraction, this fraction should be proper, otherwise that is wrong. Okay, so first of all, a whole number, a natural number, and then you have to take a proper fraction, and that is the form of the improper fraction. Okay, that is the form of the improper fraction. Okay, so these are the example of the improper fraction, and now we will see how to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, and how to convert the improper fraction to mixed fraction. Okay, so before that, student, pause the video to note it down. So first of all, we have taken what? Improper to mixed fraction. Suppose we are taking an improper fraction, that is suppose 13 by, improper means big by small, so 13 by suppose 11, improper fraction. Now this improper fraction you have to convert into suppose in mixed fraction. So how to convert it? It is very easy. How to convert? You have to just divide it. Okay, so 11 1 ja 11, 2. Now 2 is less than 11, so now 2 cannot be divisible by 11. Now you have to take a line here at the quotient. You have to take a line at the middle position of the quotient. Then this remainder you have to take as numerator, and this divisor you have to take as denominator, and you can write it 13 by 11 is equals to 1 and 2 upon 11. Okay, this 13 by 11, it's an improper fraction, and this improper fraction, if you want to write in mixed fraction, then this is the form of mixed fraction of this improper fraction. Okay, so pause the video to note it down. Now we will see mixed fraction to improper fraction. We will see how to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. So suppose I am taking a mixed fraction, that is suppose 2 whole 5 by 8. Okay, now this fraction you have to convert into improper fraction. So how to do it? So first of all, what I have to do? Diagonally you have to do multiply. Diagonally means this number and this number. It is not actual diagonally, but only for understanding we are telling like this. Okay, that means diagonally we have to do the multiply. This is multiply, not cross, this is multiply, and then we have to add with the numerator. Here add, and here you can write it as multiply. Okay, first of all these two number multiply, then add with the numerator. denominator and this number will be multiplied and then add with the numerators. So 8 to the 16 and 16 plus 8, 16 plus 5, 8 to the 16, 16 plus 5 is equals to 21. So 21 will be the numerator and 8, this 8 will be same as it is. Okay, 8 to the 16 plus 5, 21, and this 8 will come directly here, 8. So 21 by 8, it will be the improper fraction of this mixed fraction. Now if you want to check it that this is correct or not, so what I have to do, you can now convert this improper fraction to mixed fraction. If you will get this one, then you have written correct. Do check it. What I have to do, we have to divide. If we want to convert this improper fraction to mixed fraction, so what I have to do, divide. Already you have seen 8 2 just 16, 8 3 just 24, 8 2 just 16, 5. Now this 5 will come as numerator and this 8 will come as denominator, 2 and 5 upon 8, 2 and 5 upon 8. Okay, so these are the convertation of mixed fraction to improper fraction and improper fraction to mixed fraction. Now some students are having the confusion, that is what? That is, sir, can we convert the mixed fraction in proper fraction? Can we convert the mixed fraction in proper fraction? No, we cannot convert. We cannot convert mixed fraction to proper fraction. Okay, we cannot convert this mixed fraction to proper fraction. We cannot convert proper fraction to improper fraction. We cannot convert proper fraction to improper fraction. We cannot convert. But suppose 12 by 13. It's a proper fraction, but if you want to convert this into improper fraction, that means what? It will be 13. It will be 13 by 12. By actually 13 by 12 is what? That means 13 by 12 will be the reciprocal of 12 by 13. But these are not same. These are not same. Wherever we are converting this into this, then this into this, that means mixed to improper fraction, then we are using the equal sign here. We can use it, but here we cannot use equal sign because these quantities are not same. Okay, so we cannot convert, and also we cannot convert proper fraction to mixed fraction. Proper fraction to mixed fraction. These things we cannot convert. Okay, so these are the types of fractions, and in the next class we will know further about the fractions. So thank you for watching my video.